Welcome to computer coding class. Today our topic is metric multiplication. We are using TensorFlow package to decrease the complexity in vector operations. Here first of all we create a short matrix multiplication program. After that we will create a detailed matrix multiplication program. And then we will learn how to install TensorFlow in our old configured computers. This is the example of matrix multiplication. You all know that when we multiply two matrix, then in first matrix the number of columns and in second matrix the number of rows must be same. Then you can perform matrix operations. Let's start coding. First of all we will import TensorFlow. Then by using constant function we will create our first matrix. It is a static matrix where we are putting values in source code. This is a 3 by 2 matrix, means 3 rows and 2 columns. Second matrix is B. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will do multiplications by using matmul function. tf.matmul parenthesis first matrix comma second matrix. Now just print all three matrices. We have created the program. Now we will run this program. Here you can see this is the first 3 by 2 matrix, second is 2 by 2 matrix, and resultant matrix is 3 by 2. Very easy method is there. After this, now we will create this program as a user defined function. Here we insert all values from our console. First we will create two blank lists L1 and L2. By using this list, first we will create both matrix. First matrix. For first matrix we will insert number of rows and number of columns. R1 is the number of rows for first matrix and C1 is number of columns for first matrix. Now we will insert values in first list. In this way we will create second matrix. Now we will check if first matrix number of column is same with second matrix number of rows. If both are same, then we will proceed. Now we will convert these two list box into matrix. Here we will pass shape parameter. This method is short and easy than NumPy method. Now we will multiply both matrices. In last we will print all three matrices. Here in else we will print both matrices cannot be multiplied if first matrix number of column is not equal to second matrix number of rows. This is the end of the program. Now we will run this program. Here we are creating 3 by 2 matrix and second matrix is 2 by 3. And resultant matrix is 3 by 3 square matrix. Next we will learn how to install TensorFlow. Generally TensorFlow support AVX instructions, so you must have latest computers with graphics card and GPU, but here I am installing TensorFlow in a 10-year-old computers with a Core 2 Duo processor. So I am telling you how to install TensorFlow. So first of all, you will have to create an environment by using conda create name command. Here tensor is the name of my new virtual environment. Base is the by default environment, but when I installed a TensorFlow in base environment, it generates DLL errors. So I create a new virtual environment named tensor. Then I will activate new environment. Now I will install TensorFlow. Generally you can use pip command, pip install TensorFlow in Python. but here I am using Anaconda, so I will use conda command. Conda install /c Anaconda TensorFlow, and then enter command. Here in new environment, TensorFlow will be installed very easily. Now I will run Python command interpreter to check whether TensorFlow is installed or not. I will use import TensorFlow command. You can see here there is no error. It means TensorFlow is installed perfectly. Thank you.